are the V-Bucks? Where are they? The V-Bucks, Skylar, where are the rest? Skylar, where are my V-Bucks?
They got Phantom tags.
Phantom tags?
Well, I had to. For Duke Dennis, for Skibbity. On God. Walt.
You did it for Duke Dennis?
Walt, please just thug it out, please.
Who are you yapping at right now? Who is it you think you mock? Do you know how many crown wins in Fortnite I have? I mean, even if I told you, you'd say it's Cap. No, you